Let's go ahead and talk about the power sliding door. Pretty easy to do. We've got like 3 places in this van that we can control it. The first one is right here at the center console between the cup holders. If I actually push this button once, the powered sliding door is going to close. Now there's some safety features that's built into that, so if somebody would happen to be in the way and it bumps them, it will automatically stop. And then you would have to recycle it. If I want to open the door, all I have to do is push the button. It's going to automatically open. Now if we walk over here, here's another way to open this door and close it. So if I want to close it, I can push this button right here and it will automatically close. I talked about earlier that safety feature. If I bump this edge, that's a sensor. It's going to automatically stop and retract. If I come out here and I want to shut it, I don't have to hit that button, one on the dash. I can simply pull out on the handle, the door is going to automatically shut.